99% that achieve are willing to sacrifice, be persistent, put in disproportionate work, and think in 50-year terms, not 50-day terms. Just close your eyes until you're 29. Close your eyes.
All right. Here we are again. 2 years ago, I made one of these things, and I had no idea what I was doing or what was in store for me. I'm not professionally trained. I'm just a guy with a camera trying to figure out where I fit in this world. But here's the thing. If I've learned anything in the last 2 years, it's not about the pictures, it's not about the bangers, it's not about the videos. It's about the places they've taken me. It's about the people they bring me closer to. And it's about wherever they're gonna take me next.
Ooh, for the people that said that I couldn't do it, I take every word, burn it like fluid. Just a red light running right through it.
Woo!
On the top of the mountain, yeah, we've all our way up to the top of the mountain. Yeah, we never coming down from the top of the mountain.
Hello, Matthias. I'm a sad boy. Well, anyways, last 4 or so hours, it snowed. So, good thing I brought my parka. I am going to take a picture. That's why we're all here, right? I'm also hungover. Do I know myself or do I know myself? Last night I said I was gonna get up early, but if you know anything about me, that's really not my thing. So. The announcers are describing the track as juicy, which I would absolutely agree. Not sure what that means, but I absolutely agree. You know, sometimes things just don't go as planned. Nothing to see here. Keep on, yeah.
Home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
You heard it. And what was your name?
Ron.
Ron? That was my grandpa's name. I'm Sawyer.
Oh my God.
So this drone is just gonna do a little humdogging down this bad boy. I learned some rookie mistakes the hard way in the prelims. There's dirt. I got dirt everywhere. But we got the heat races coming. I don't know how any of this works. It is July 9th, and we're standing in the snow. Oh, that was a good throw. Some ducks on the dock. I'm gonna go try and snipe them. Be right back. We got him. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. The weather's going to hell. The weather's going to hell. Here are some honorable mentions. Roll the photos, roll the outro. See you next time. Back to your main event.
The higher you get, the further the fall. I didn't come all this way for me to lose it. Ooh, for the people that said that I couldn't do it, I take every word, burn it like fluid. Just a red light running right through it. I do it. For my people, for my team, for anybody trying to give a dream. Back in the day when it was just a dream. Now look at me, on top of the mountain. Yeah, we fought our way up to the top of the mountain. Yeah, we never coming down from the top of the mountain.
I think it's very natural to seek outside influence for inspiration. Nobody accomplishes anything of value by themselves, and I am incredibly blessed to have so many people of positive influence, whether it be my friends, my family, my coworkers, the people I choose to follow on the internet. All of those people have made me who I am today. And here I am, just a guy with a camera, anxiously waiting to see where they take him next.
Now we fall away, to the top of the mountain.